Mubarak, Mubarak, congratulations ladies and gentlemen, International Day of Yoga. And you know that 21st June is the International Day of Yoga. This yoga on 21st June is actually the longest day of the year. The longest day of the year is 21st June, and on 21st June 21 aasans, 21 poses for the International Day of Protocol. Means as per the protocol, means as per the rule and regulations, 21 poses, 21 aasans have to be done. And for that, what will be the result? What will be the solution? It will be the 360-degree development, growth, happiness of me and you. And then for the overall ultimate development, ultimate growth and happiness of the world and happiness of you and me, this yoga is very important. Yoga is very important. And if I have to say, अगर मैं चुवनन आख सुचवनान के मंत्र चुवनन ऐस मतलब गुरु मंत्र चुवनन कि भाई के life mantra चु if I have to tell the life mantra about this yoga, then I have to tell only one thing that I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, today is that this yoga basically this yoga it reduces the distance between mind and body. It reduces the distance between the mind and the body, ladies and gentlemen. And how it is doing that? You just say you take a cart. There are two horses in the cart. If these two horses, you say that one is the mind, one is the body, if they go in opposite directions, they go in different directions, the cart will not move. The life will not move. For life to move, ladies and gentlemen, we need to have both the mind and the body move in one direction in unison. And that is what exactly yoga is saying. Union between the mind and the body and the nature and the universe. We just see that corona only because there is distance between the human body, human mind, and of course the nature. We have destroyed nature. So for this purpose, reduce the distance between mind and the body and be in union with this cosmos, with this earth, with the nature. That is yoga. Thank you very much. God bless you. Karma yoga and yoga. Yoga in the morning and karma yoga means work. Work is worship. All the people used to come chunukaran suchu haram khor. Means such a haram khor. Fakir chunu karske. Fakir gets zin rozun. Mehnat gets karin. Purse gets kamaun. Shorat gets kamaun. That should be the motto of life. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. That he is doing Kabal Bhati now. Kabal Bhati. This Kur Chikaran, ich Karan Minakshi Chikaran, this Kabal Bhati. And that's what Baba Ramdev ji is saying, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you and happy International Day of Yoga. IDY. 21st June, 21 Aasans, and the longest day of the year. Thank you. Jai Bajrang Bali ki jai.